Okay, welcome back. This is our next episode on how to use a generator. So, this is a Westinghouse tri-fuel WGen 11 500 TFC. So it can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Today we'll look at how to hook it up to a natural gas line and be able to run for as long as it will allow for any sort of power outage. It has a battery, an automatic start, so with a push button, electric start, and for us to turn it on, we'll turn the battery switch to on. Now we'll engage the battery and it will get ready to start up. Okay, but before we can start, we have to hook it up to our gas line and to our generator power inlet. So inside here is a 50 amp receptacle, and our 50 amp cord will get plugged right into it. For this current setup, if this metal part is about at the 7 o'clock position, it will be the most efficient and easiest to lock it into place. And once it's all the way in, you twist it a little bit counterclockwise, and that's in. The natural gas line itself is a threaded flare fitting, and that screws on right there. It's a 3/4 line that goes to the house until it gets to the outlet where we have a 1/2 inch hose. We can turn the gas line to on. And then there's one more gas valve in the basement. So that way there's a shut off inside and there's a shut off outside. As we go into the basement, we have our natural gas shut off right here on the inside. So we'll turn that to on as well. And now natural gas will be flowing to our hose. This is our generator transfer switch, and we'll come back to this once the generator is up and running. Okay, so here are the other ends of our cords. So this will be the generator side. So our cord will go to our 120, 240, 50 amp receptacle. Get plugged into there. All right, so that's locked in place. Next we have our natural gas quick connect. So this, pull that back, and then it locks into place. It's all locked in. So now we turn to natural gas to start, and then our battery is already on. Before starting up, we also want to flip this breaker to on, and that will allow us to get power down at our transfer switch. And then we press start. Down below here, can't hear the generator at all down in the basement, but now we'll switch from line to generator. So that will take us off the grid and put us onto our generator power. Boom. 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 So, lights didn't even flicker. Once we're ready to shut down, we'll turn the fuel to off. The generator will shut itself off almost instantly, and then we'll turn the breaker off, and we'll turn the battery off so it can be ready for the next use. And we'll open up our quick disconnect, pull our cord, and we'll stow it back in the garage and wait for a rainy day. And then before we disconnect, remember to shut our gas valve off. Perpendicular means off and parallel is on. So to shut, unscrew it, and we'll take this off, turn to the left, wiggle it out. And that's good to go, ready for the next use. Just remember to be safe, keep your generator away from your house, don't run it inside, and keep it out of the rain if possible. They sell rain covers, or we can make a little hut, and we'll see what we do in the future, and just to protect our generator, protect the electronics, and to protect ourselves. All right, good luck.